Hi, good afternoon, guys. Vic here with Kaizink, and we're in the darkroom today. We're at our UniKote, and we're going to show you basically the grease spots on the UniKote that you want to make sure you maintenance. So we want to make sure that we hit this with our white with the white grease. We do have two different kinds of grease. We have a white grease and a red grease. The red is used for high heat. The white is just used for everything else. So basically our UniKote, iImage, our presses out there. So go ahead and bring it in here. I'll show you the first four are going to be on the front. So you're going to have one over here on the left side. Also on the left side, on the back, you're going to also have one here. Then they're going to be the same placement on the front, over here on the right, and then on the rear on the right. Now additionally, we have some in the back. So if you want to come around here on the back, we can see here, we've got one up top here, which we can clean off a little bit of that excess. We've got one all the way down here at the very bottom. Right up in there. And it's going to be the same thing on the other side here. You can see we're going to have one right underneath there. And again, all the way down there at the bottom. I know it's kind of a pain in the butt to get to, but it is necessary that we grease those so the machine continues to treat us well and perform for years to come. So thanks, guys.